Today I'm going to paint bamboo with simplest brush strokes.
Hi friends, I'm Olga Koelsch, watercolor artist, teacher and a book author. Welcome to my studio.
I already have Viridian on my palette. I would like to add phthalo turquoise. I will mix it with burnt sienna. I'm using brush number 10. It will nicely correlate to this size. I bathe my brush in the mix of burnt sienna, and then I put a tip of my brush in the phthalo turquoise paint, just the tip. Then I find a spot for my future bamboo, and I start with a small brush stroke to the right, then I slide my brush down, then I lift my brush, because bamboo stems, they're usually divided with some rings. And now let's do it again. I would like to have more of brown on my brush. Bathing brush in the brown and then grab with the tip a little bit of turquoise. With the tip of the brush I create some horizontal strokes, pretty dry, and then I slide my brush down and lift it up. And then I switch to the tip of the brush and create some connection. And then I set my brush about 1/3 to the paper and slide it again. I can leave it like this. Now let's paint another stem. I would like to have a little bit more of brown. I need that my brush has a lot of water in the hairy part. Then I touch with the tip of the brush my turquoise green mix. Then I think about a little bit of different direction, because we are not painting a fence, we painting a nice bamboo forest, and trees and stems, they move. And I repeat it again. I move my brush a little bit to the right, and then apply some pressure to the tip of the brush, and then I lift my brush. Also try to lift your brush at different points, so it would not be too ornamental. Then I switch to the tip of the brush and I create space in between. Then I repeat the same. A little bit of pressure, slide in the brush, lift up the brush. I can use the trick again, grab a little bit more, create some areas in between stems, and another stem. Let's make one more. I like how my brown, my burnt sienna mixes very organically, very beautifully with turquoise, and it creates nice shades. So let's do that again. Now let's start without this shift, otherwise it will be all too cut. Just slide in immediately, sliding down, lift up. I can add a little bit more of turquoise to the tip of my brush. And then again, a little bit more pressure. And again. Now let's see. I think we can leave it like this and paint leaves, and then we will have a look whether we would like to add one more stem or not. So I wash my brush. For the leaves I will use my Viridian. It's super bright, but I mix it a little bit with burnt sienna, which I already have on my palette. Also, I might use a bit of yellow. The mix should be pretty watery, because I'm painting on grain thin paper, and this paper loves water. Now let's paint bamboo leaves. They usually have a little fine stem which starts from one of these divided parts of the rings. So with the tip of the brush, make a brave move up, and then tip of your brush, pressure on your brush, and then quick move, release the pressure. Let's get another mix. Vary amounts of yellows, browns, and greens in your brush. Let's start from the same point, tip of the brush, body of the brush, and quick lift up. Nice. And one more. Tip of the brush, body of the brush, and lift. I would like to create some long stem like this and set up some leaves right here. Tip of the brush, belly of the brush, quick move. Tip of the brush, belly of the brush, quick move. Different directions can set up. Tip of the brush, belly of the brush, quick move. I like when my brush makes these white spots. It creates a feeling of sunshine right on the leaves. Let's do it again. Do it again. Tip of the brush, belly of the brush, move. Now I would like to add a couple of leaves around this corner. I will start right from the ring part. Tip of the brush, quick move. Tip of the brush, quick move. And one more. Practice with letting it go, move your brush really quick. That will create nice textures around. Now just go with your brush, have a look where you can add more leaves. For example, one here. We can see sometimes we can see flat leaf, sometimes we can see the rib of the leaf. So like this. Like this. Leaves can look up, they can look down, they can overlap each other. There can be a couple of leaves hidden in the greenery. Can be some tinier stems around. If you like, you can emphasize a couple of leaves, make them a little bit darker. For example, I would like divide this group, tip of the brush, just paint on top. Just painting on top, and maybe some details in between. Something like this. Now we added shades. And I think as a final touch, I would like to dilute my burnt sienna. And I would like to add one more stem, but very diluted. And as it is diluted, it will look like it is a little bit behind. It will create the feeling of a perspective. A little bit more. Maybe also behind other trees. And same with leaves. Couple of very translucent leaves. Very quick brush strokes. Now our bamboo forest is ready.
Thank you so much for painting with me. I hope you enjoyed the process. I'm looking forward to read what would you like to paint next. And see you soon. Bye bye.